Handling daylight savings time changes in software projects with no hassle at all. Hi, my name is James Hernandez. I'm a senior software developer and IT manager with an undergraduate degree in computer science from the University of Maryland, an MBA with a concentration in project management from Keller Graduate School of Business. Most software has a time bomb, and I'm about to save you a lot of energy, time, and effort. My new video series will save you and your firm a lot of time and energy. Do me a favor and take a second to smash that like and subscribe button below. Please like and share these popular tips with others on your own social media page. This helps you reach more people too. If you subscribe, you won't miss out on any new tips and how-to videos going forward. Most software has a time bomb. The switch from daylight savings time occurs twice a year and can wreak havoc on all new software development projects. The second Sunday of March, we spring forward, and the time springs from 1:59 a.m. suddenly to 3 a.m. There is no 2 a.m. to 2:59 a.m. at all this day. This day only has 23 hours. Many software bugs happen because there are only 23 hours this day. If you were paying for hours overnight, would you pay for an extra hour just because the time jumped forward an hour? The first Sunday in November, we fall back, and we get to repeat the 1 a.m. hour all over again twice. On that day, time goes from 1:59 a.m. suddenly back to 1 a.m. again. 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. repeats entirely over again. Every second repeats. On this day, time repeats over again. Imagine you are landing planes or administering medicine. Get the point? This can get complicated if you don't know what you're doing. Most project managers without formal training ignore this or don't understand it, or just wait until it becomes a business crisis so they get credit for putting out a fire they let happen in the first place. Worse yet, this time change always happens Sunday morning, which are days we are away with friends, or enjoying life totally offline, or just days where we can't get away, no matter what happens back at the office. If you do things right the first time, this will be your morning every time daylight savings changes occur, happy and focused on new business growth. Instead of this, where the project manager ends up asking for more money to hire expert consultants to fix this mess because the manager has no idea how to fix it. Yes, these expensive consultants can fix the problem, but they create new tangled knotted code that only they understand. They will be billing you again and again. Once they leave, they only patch the problem, and you were left with tangled and difficult software under the covers, another time bomb waiting to happen. But to the stakeholders, the project manager becomes a false hero, and they applaud the project manager for putting out the fire because they didn't know the IT manager let it happen in the first place. Worse yet, they don't know about all the new, expensive, and confusing code gluing things together. Unfortunately, some IT managers use this crisis cycle to leverage more money and staff over and over. This is a false hero cycle. I have seen this too often. Sadly, many businesses fall for this over and over. This is the true hero IT manager. No drama and no crisis. Done right the first time, so everyone keeps focused on productivity and new profit. The proper fix is a one-time setup of the database to store times in universally coordinated time. It takes about 15 minutes, one time, one place, and it automatically handles spring forwards and fallbacks perfectly every time. No outages, no complicated code, no expensive external consultants, no drama. Just done right with the right know-how. Afterwards, everyone can seamlessly work with the data, knowing it will always store the correct time and retrieve the correct actual time in the spring or fall. Universal Coordinated Time, UTC, always saves and retrieves the time correctly, no matter what time zone you're in. Daylight saving changes are handled automatically. My software projects save time in the database's Universal Coordinated Time. Each viewer automatically sees their own correct time based on their own time zone, as from a single UTC time in the database, all without any code. Setting Universal Coordinated Time, UTC, in the database lets the hardware automatically handle daylight savings time changes for countries that have it, and other countries like China and Turkey without daylight savings time at all. Many inexperienced IT project managers and software developers write complicated, tangled software to handle time changes, but they almost always miss bugs and data issues which cause loss of business, outages, and burn cash. This is an example of what an IT manager like myself with software know-how can do that others can't. This skill is more important than ever in a global marketplace. Wouldn't you rather focus your time and money on profit and growth instead of fixing poorly crafted software applications that are slow and crash? I know how to get things done right the first time, so you can focus on making money and growth. Consider me if you want your IT department to be successful and not just busy. If you do things right the first time, this will be your morning every daylight savings time change. instead of this. Any project manager can spend a fortune solving crisis after crisis because of their poor planning and lack of technical know-how. A busy IT department is not always a sign of a productive IT department. A truly successful IT organization is productive, not just busy. If you want your business to be busy with sales and growth and not busy dealing with IT issues, contact me, james.hernandez@outlook.com. For more valuable time and money-saving tips in IT management and software development, visit my homepage for more information. Please like and subscribe and share this video with others. Thank you.